Hi there and welcome to Trade Plus Academy. I'm Mickey and I'm going to be your instructor in this course. This will be a complete crash course on the stock markets. As you might be aware from the first course, I've been trading for about 4 years now and I am an experienced trader using stock, crypto, and CFD markets. While the first course focused more on the Forex markets, one of the most traded financial markets, this second course will focus on the stock markets. Both of these markets are heavily traded and they each have their own nuances. As there are a large number of factors on a global level which can affect the foreign exchange rates, such as interest rates, confidence, the current account balance of payments, economic growth, and relative inflation rates, it's really difficult to keep track of and understand the impact of all of this. So the Forex markets rely heavily on technical analysis. The stock markets have stocks of various individual companies, and it's relatively easy to judge the business and performance of an individual company. So here you would use technical as well as fundamental analysis for trading. I've also touched upon the cryptocurrencies in order to provide you more information on different financial instruments. Here's a brief highlight of the course. The course itself is designed to give you the complete picture of how the stock market works and how you can enter into it wisely. Everything is covered in the course, from what a stock is to how you can trade stocks. I made this course from my personal experience of trading, and learning from a real trader is the kind of training you need to survive in the market. This course will help you avoid the mistakes I made, which most traders make in the beginning. The course itself is divided into different chapters, each focusing on a specific topic, and you'll get to learn about the basics of stocks, how trading actually works, as well as different types of analytical methods you can use to trade. The course will then touch upon advanced concepts of technical as well as fundamental analysis, and a brief about how cryptocurrency trading works. By the end of this course, you'll know it all. There won't be any concept or topic left untouched for you, which is commonly used in the stock market. And you'll also learn key strategies, tried and tested, which you can implement and make an earning out of trading effectively. At the end of the course, you'll get an extra bonus section, which will teach you some important tips and tricks. So now that you know what you'll get from the course, let's get started.